learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
There are 5 different types of Hakka accents in Taiwan. Almost 2/3 of Taiwan's Hakka people use the Sixian accent, which is spread out all over Taiwan, including Kaohsiung, Pingtung, Hsinchu, and Taiyuan. The second most popular is the Hailu accent, which is mostly spoken in northern areas such as Taiyuan and Hsinchu.
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And let's talk more about the Hakka culture in Taiwan, specifically in Taiwan. 其实你知道，我们跟 Alice 老师常常会教到一些其他的腔调，比如说有四线，还有海陆，对不对？跟 Leo 老师比较没有，我们其实大部分都是讲四线，对不对？
对，我们现在讲的都是四线。
Yeah, so there are different dialects and accents in the Hakka language. Maybe Leo can teach us more. 一定不只是四线跟海陆，对不对？
好，讲到客家的腔调后，我就先教大家一句话，
OK，
叫做西海太平安。
西海太平安。这一句话，这跟腔调有什么关系呢？
这就是客家话的5个腔调，它的意思就是四海大平安。
四海大平安哦。If you put the 5 different accents or dialects in Hakka here in Taiwan together into one sentence, it forms a very cool sentence. You know, 四海大平安。好，四就是四线嘛，对，四线怎么说？
吸烟，
吸烟哦。现在我们在室内不可以吸烟哦，
不可以吸烟哦。
对，而且在录音不可以吸烟哦。
对，
是吸烟真的哦，
就是吸烟啊，就是那个吸烟。
Okay, it sounds like smoking, but it's not, alright? 吸烟 that's 四线 dialect， 然后再来就海陆嘛。
海陆
OK， 我只知道这2个。再来大平安是什么？
太埔大埔腔。
太埔 that's 大埔 OK, that's a third dialect。 再来平
鸟平
鸟平
这是饶平
有听过 another dialect。 And then 最后是安咯，
萧安
好像
赵安腔
好像在叫小安的名字孝安OK 赵安
对赵安腔
第5个腔调 Alright, so those are the 5 different accents, but my understanding is 四线 and 海陆 represents the majority. 其实还是以四线跟海陆占一大部分了。
对，这客家人里面就是讲四线大概占了2/3。
Oh, okay. So the first one we taught you, 四线 is the most common accent, and it represents about 2/3 of the population here in Taiwan. Very well. We learned a little bit more today, and that does it for Talk About Hakka.
从泰嘎，
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.